Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel today. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please endeavor to subscribe, share, comment and like on this post. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much as always. Okay guys, today we'll be going into Mgbakwu town. And Mgbakwu town is a town in the Awkasouth, Awka North local government area of Anambra State. And I'll be taking you right through inside Mgbakwu town up to the Anambra State Polytechnic, which is also located inside this town. So Mgbakwu town is housing the Anambra State Polytechnic. This is actually where the State Polytechnic is located. So guys, there are 10 towns that made up the Awka North local government area, Anambra State. And these 10 towns these are the 10 towns that made up this local government. One of them is Oba Ofemili. The other is Ubwene, and then another town is Ebenebe, and the other is Achala. Though Achala is the local government headquarters, yes, so it's the capital of the local government. And then the next one is Urum, and then you have Amansi, and then Amanuke, and isuaniocha, and Uwenu, and of course Mgbakwu town. So right now we are inside Mgbakwu town, and you can see the current state of this town. Well, one thing that I like about this town is the good road. The roads are good. There are no potholes. They are so clean and so strong. Okay, the road is very good in this town. Though there are lots of shanties everywhere, it's still a developing town. Okay, the town is still a developing town, but the roads are really good. And though they are not wide enough, and it's a one-way road, but the fact that it's good means a lot to me. So we are right inside Mgbakwu town in Awka North local government area, and I'm taking you guys straight to the Anambra State Polytechnic. Though this polytechnic used to be the Anambra State College of Agriculture, but it was upgraded to the Anambra State Polytechnic by the former Anambra State Governor, which is Chief Willie Obiano, in January 2017. That was when this College of Agriculture was upgraded to Anambra State Polytechnic. So guys, we have a state polytechnic in Anambra State, and it's not more that you go to Federal Poly Oko or Unizik or Anambra State University. We also have Anambra State Polytechnic, in case you don't know about that. So please tell your friend, and let your friend tell his neighbor, and let your neighbor tell another of her friend that we have Anambra State Polytechnic. Please, you guys should patronize this polytechnic. So this is Anambra State Polytechnic. You can see what it looks like from the outside. Though we do not go inside, but I just wanted to see what the outside look like. There are lots of courses offered in this great institution, and it's quite growing. Yes, Anambra State Polytechnic is growing rapidly. So tell your friends to tell their friends about this great institution. So guys, though that is where the third road ended, but hopefully this part of the road will be fixed in no time. So we are still at Mgbakwu. This is the town of Mgbakwu in Awka North local government area, Anambra State. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, endeavor to subscribe, share, like, and comment on this post. Tell me what you think about this great institution, and what should be done to improve the quality of this institution, because this institution needs to be publicized in one way or the other. Thanks for watching up to this point, and don't forget to stick around because the next video coming your way is epic. You are gonna love it.